All right, this week is going to be our first week on digital storytelling, which is my favorite activity of the whole semester. So we're going to have a lot of fun with digital storytelling. First of all, the next 2 weeks, you're going to learn about it, and you're going to make a plan. Your digital story should be between 2 to 4 minutes, not less than 2 minutes. And if it's a little over 4, it's fine. You just don't want it. It starts getting long. It gets too involved, so too boring. All right, there are tons of apps that allow you to make movies. You can look at these top 30 sites and apps for digital storytelling. Start thinking about what app you want to use to make your digital story. I'll show you how to make a movie in iMovie, Adobe Express, and Canva. If you don't have access to, well, you should be able to Adobe Express and Canva on a PC, but if you also might want to use WeVideo. All right, you're going to watch this movie, 7 Elements in 4 minutes. It's very important because you've got to know about the 7 elements. You're going to review some examples of digital stories. I have some prior digital student stories on here that I did for the last year or so. I also have some things from the University of Houston, but I'll come back to that, but this is the main thing. Then I want you to listen to this podcast. It's very important because it's going to tell you all about empowering students with digital storytelling. Now, you're going to go to your digital storytelling page on your site, and you're going to write a paragraph, at least 5 sentences, explaining what you learned from the handouts and from the podcast. And I want you to tell me what you specifically learned from your podcast. And you should have the following words: storyboard, perspective. And again, those 5 sentences should be on the digital storytelling page on your website, and then you'll publish it. Okay, this one is the digital story plan. I'm going to give you a more detailed video, which will be right here, linked right here, about using the digital story plan. And you will, after you finish the digital story plan, you will upload the URL to Moodle. So you're making a digital story plan in Google Docs. So all you have to do is upload the URL from, I ought to put that, from Google Sites. From Google Drive. All right, so I'll get that to you right now. So this is just a little intro on it.